Okay, Grandpa's being a little meanie here because he went out to get somebody a bottle, and he came back, and they had flipped over. So I told her that she can have her drink as soon as she flips over again, and it's not going to be too long. Here she goes. I can tell. Oh. Look at those leg muscles. Liz, you want some new milk? Come on, sweetie. You don't? Come on. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah, you're really working up an appetite. You're working up an appetite. Uh-oh, don't eat the floor, Grandma. You did it! Okay, less than a minute. Moo milk for my little girl. I love you.